Let's start our class by, let's start the class by the reading test chapter 2. Okay. Come on, take out your books, everyone. Yes. Page number 4. We'll start with Netra Reddy.
Ma'am,
Come on, start Netra. Page number 4 from the beginning.
ma'am, who? Ma'am, the chapter name is Who.
Are you able to see me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I visible? Yes. Okay.
Yes. It wasn't a human.
Hmm.
It could be. It was 4 times as tall as the tallest human. It was so tall its head was higher than the upstairs windows of the houses. Sophie opened her mouth to scream, but no sound came out. Her throat, like her whole body, was frozen with fright.
Continue.
This was the witching hour, all right. The tall black figure was coming her way. It was keeping very close to the houses across the street, hiding in the shadowy places where there were no moonlight.
Hmm.
On and on it came nearer and nearer, but it was moving in
Spuds.
spurts.
Hmm.
spurts. It would stop, then it would move on, then it would stop again. But what on the earth was it doing? Aha! Sophie could see now what it was up to. It was stopping in front of each house. It would stop and peer into the upstairs window of each house in the street. It actually had to bend down to peer into the upstairs windows. That's how tall it was. It
Okay.
would stop.
Okay, Netra. Thank you, Netra. Well done. Your score is 5 out of 5. Good. Siri Chandana.
Ma'am, can I mute myself?
Yes. Siri Chandana. Continue. Don't waste time, children. We have to go with our today's topic also. We have to start. Siri Chandana. Dharvin Tej.
Ma'am,
Come on.
I would stop and peer in. Then I would slide on to the next house and stop again. And I peer in. And so on all along the street. It was much closer now. The Sophie could see it more clearly. Looking at carefully, she decided it had to be some kind of person.
Obviously.
Obviously it was not a human, but it was definitely a person. A giant person. Perhaps Sophie started hard across the
It's
misty
not
moonlight.
started, it stared. Sophie stared hard.
Sophie stared hard across the misty moonlight street. The giant, if that was what he was wearing a long black cloak. In one hand he was holding looked like a very long, thin trumpet. In the other hand, he held a large suitcase. The giant had stopped now right in front of Mr. and Mrs. Gucci's house.
Mr. and Mrs.
Mr. and Mrs. Gucci's house.
The Gucci's had a greengrocer's shop in the middle of the high street, and family lived above the shop. The two Gucci children slept in the upstairs front room. Sophie knew that.
Okay. Few mistakes and little faster you have to practice, Dharvin. You got 4 marks. So children, listen carefully how you are observed. Each and every point is being observed. Your mistakes, your pronunciation, and your fast reading, clear reading. Okay, don't get minus marks. Try it well. Indivar,
Ma'am.
come on. Continue. Indivar. Indivar.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? I'm waiting. The giant. Come on, third para. Page number 5. Make it fast. Indivar, you got 0.
Through the window into the room where Michael and Jane Gucci's were sleeping. From across the street, Sophie watched her breathe. She saw the giant step back a pace and put the suitcase down on the pavement. He bent over the open suitcase. He took something out of it. It looked like a glass jar, one of those square ones with a screw top. He unscrewed the top of the jar and poured what was in it into the end of the trumpet thing. Long trumpet thing. Sophie watched, trembling. She saw the giant straighten up again, and she saw him poke the trumpet in through the open upstairs window of the room where the Gucci's children were sleeping. She saw the giant take a deep breath. Oof. He blew through the trumpet. No noise came
Okay.
out, but it was a...
He blew through the trumpet. Good. Good, Indivar. You got 5 out of 5. Well tried.
Ma'am, I'm muting.
Yes, beta, please. Next, Sadgun.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
No noise came out, but it was obvious to Sophie that whatever had been in the jar had now been blown through the trumpet into Gucci's children's bedroom. What could it be? As the giant withdrew the trumpet from the window and bent down to pick the suitcase, he happened to turn his head and glanced across the street. In the moonlight, Sophie
Caught.
caught a glimpse of an
Glimpse of an enormous
long, pale, winklingly face with
wrinkly.
the most enormous ears. The noise was as sharp as a knife. The nose was as sharp as a knife, and above the nose there were two bright flashing eyes, and the eyes were staring and
Staring straight.
Staring at Sophie. There was the fierce face and
Devilish.
devilish look about them. Sophie gave a yelp and pulled back from the window. She flew across the dormitory and jumped into her bed and hid hide under the blanket. And there she crouched still as a mouse and tingling all over.
Okay, Sadgun. Still, you need practice. Okay. You are reading, but little few hard words you are unable to pronounce well. And fast reading also you should practice better. Okay. But well tried. Your score is 4 marks. I'll give you 4. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, can I unmute?
Yes. Sritan Reddy, you have to wait. You cannot. You should not ask randomly. I will only call out the names. Rohan. Rohan.
Ma'am.
Come on. Start reading. Page number 4.
I wasn't a human. It couldn't be. It was 4 times as tall as the tallest human. It was so tall, its head was higher than the upstairs windows of the houses. Sophie opened her mouth to scream, but no sound came out. Her throat, like her whole body, was frozen with fright. This was the witching hour, all right. The tall black figure was coming her way. It was keeping very close to the house, across the street, hiding
Little faster.
in the shadow places where there was no moonlight.
Faster.
On and on it came, nearer and nearer, but it was moving in spurts. It would stop, then it would move on, then it would stop again. But on earth it doing? Aha! Sophie could see now what it was up to. It was stopping in front of each house, and it would stop and peer into the upstairs window of each house in the street. It actually had to bend down to peer into the upstairs windows. That's how tall it was.
Okay.
It would
Okay. Rohan, okay. Your way of reading is good. Okay, but little faster you have to read, Rohan. That's fine. You'll get 4.5 beta. Only 5 points for your fast reading. Okay. You should improve. For the next time, you have to improve that reading, fast reading. Good children. So today's 5 students reading task is done. And tomorrow you should ready remaining 5 students who will be, I don't know, randomly I will be asking you all. Okay. I may ask, I may call any child, any student. So you should ready, children, and see today how you got the marks. Each and everything is observed. You should be very careful, children, like fast reading, clear reading, punctuations, okay, proper pronunciation, everything is observed, and based on that marks are allotted. So you should very careful tomorrow. Those who are going to read, this is a very good experience you got from yes, from today's class. So you should practice well, read well. Okay. So let's see today's topic, children. What's our today's topic? Today we are going to discuss about the orbits. Okay.
Ma'am, textbook.
See.
Ma'am, we should open both textbooks.
No. First, look here. Look at the screen first. Don't open any book. Just look at the screen first. Look at the screen, everyone. Orbits. You can see the orbits and different types of planets and sun. You can see this is a complete solar family. All the planets are revolving around the sun. Okay. So now let us see few planets we have taken, children. The first one is Mercury. Are you able to see the screen, children? Show me thumb. Okay, good. Thank you. So here Mercury, what is the color of Mercury, children? Gray. Very
Gray.
good. Yes,
Gray.
Very good. So the yes, Pranav.
Mercury after Venus, no ma'am.
But we have chosen a few planets only as per our global English. Okay, we have taken few planets. Okay, so Mercury. What is let us see the Mercury. It is the smallest planet in our solar system, and it is also very close to the sun. Yes, it is very close to the sun and the smallest planet in our solar system and is the nearest planet to the sun. It is gray and rocky. It is gray and rocky. It doesn't have any moon. Does it have any moon around it? No,
No,
it doesn't.
ma'am.
Yes, no, it doesn't have any moon. So let's see the Earth. It is the small and rocky. Okay, and it is the only planet to support life. We know this. Only the planet Earth supports the life. Yes. Satellite pictures show it. It is light blue with white clouds. How does it show? See here, you can see the light blue color with white clouds. The picture you can see. Why it is in a light blue color? Can anyone tell me? I think EVS teacher already taught you this all.
Because the light blue color is water and the white color is
Yeah.
Water.
Very good. The blue color shows the water bodies on the
water.
yes, water bodies on the Earth. Very
Earth.
good. So let's see next. What planet do we have? So we have here Mars. You can see the Mars planet. How it is? It is red and orange color. Yeah.
Ma'am, it is only red only, ma'am.
No, complete red. It is not complete red, beta. A slight orange and red touch will be given for that. It is that. Okay. So it is a red orange color. It is small, rocky, and lifeless. There is no life. Okay. It is
thousands of years before life is there. Ma'am, that time thousands of years ago in Mars also in Mars life was there, ma'am.
life was there, but now still our scientists are also trying to find out the like oxygen or water, or we can go and stay there or not. Life is possible on the Mars or not. It is going on. We are working on it, right? So now let's continue. It is also one of the driest planet. It has 2 small moons. How many moons does it have?
2 moons.
2 moons. And what are the moons' names?
Deimos.
Yes, Phobos and Deimos. These are the names, 2 names of the 2 moons. Okay. Next one, Saturn. Next is the Saturn. See, look at Saturn, how beautiful it is. It's looking so beautiful, right? Yes. So it is pale yellow. It is famous for the thousands of bright rings. How many rings? It has thousands of bright rings. And is one of the most beautiful planets in the solar system. Isn't it, children? Is it looking beautiful? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it's so beautiful.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
do you know,
Look at this
children,
ring.
do you know, children, this Saturn has how many moons? 53 moons. Yeah, 53 moons that any other planet doesn't have. Only the Saturn have more moons around it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And next to see what is next. Next we have Jupiter. So
The
Jupiter
biggest planet
is
in the super.
very good. It
The
is
biggest.
yes,
The
yes.
biggest planet in the solar system.
Very good, Sritan. It's a very biggest planet in the solar
Ma'am,
system.
you
How many times it is bigger than the Earth? Can you tell me?
318 times.
Ah, it is
331 times.
Yes.
31 times
Oh
bigger.
no, 318.
318 times bigger.
Yes.
318 times bigger.
318 times bigger. Very good. And Neptune, see how nice it is. Neptune is the fourth largest planet. Yes,
And it is the eighth largest planet far from the
8
sun.
planets. Yeah. And see, largest of the 8 planets. Among the 8 planets, it is the
Ma'am.
fourth planet. And see the Earth,
Ma'am,
how
the
small
Earth
it
is
is.
also there, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. And
One
ma'am,
sec-
it is
One second. See how the Earth is looking in front of the Neptune, and more than Neptune, the Jupiter is the bigger than the Neptune also. Then imagine how big is the Jupiter and how small is the Earth in front of Jupiter.
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Earth
yes,
cannot do nothing.
yes, very small. So children, now you
It's like
have to
ant only, ma'am.
yes. Now you
Ma'am,
have
Venus is the hottest planet.
yes.
Venus.
Venus is the hottest planet. Yes. Now you have to open.
Morning star and evening star for
Huh?
our Venus.
Ma'am?
It is the
Yes,
morning star
Venus.
and evening star. Ma'am, Venus is
Yes.
the evening star, morning star.
Morning star, very good. Now you have to open your global English, everyone. Take out your global English. Take out the global English, page number 41. 41.
Ma'am, is this page?
41. Yes, that's the page.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Can I ask?
Yes, please. Just 1 minute, beta. Just give me a few couple of seconds. Just mm, okay.
Ma'am, for Saturn, 82 moons are there, ma'am.
Just 1 second. Huh.
Ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Now see.
Ma'am.
Now you have
Ma'am?
to see. Yes.
Saturn has 82 moons, no, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, in our EVS course book, that it is
Okay,
like
once
that
you open
only.
41 page number once and see there is a Saturn.
Yes, ma'am, it's there.
What you are able to read? Unmute yourself and read
Ma'am,
out.
it is telling it has 53 moons.
Saturn is pale
Yes.
yellow.
So
It's
it is pale yellow. It has 53 moons that we know of more than any other planet. Now see here in the solar system, we have 8 planets move around the sun. The nearest planet to the sun is Mercury, followed by Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Scientists used to think Pluto was a planet, but it was now called a dwarf planet because it is so small. There was three other known dwarf planets. The sun is in the middle of the solar system and the planets orbit it. The Earth takes 12 months to orbit the sun. The Earth has one moon, sometimes called Luna by astronomers. So what is moon is also called as the another name of the moon? Tell me. What is the other name given? Luna, yes. Yes. By astronomers, which takes less than 28 days to travel. How many days it takes to travel around the earth? Moon takes how many
28
days?
days.
Yeah, moon takes 28 days to
Ma'am,
travel around the earth. Now see the Jupiter, children. Jupiter, it is mentioned there what it is given. Read, Pranav, you read the Jupiter.
Jupiter is 318 times bigger than the Earth.
Continue.
Neptune is the fourth largest of the 8 planets. New
Okay.
moons are discovered every year for Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
See,
Neptune has
here new moons are discovered every year. Now you have to find out. Rohan, I think, asked the doubt this that that Saturn has more than 53 moons. So as per today, sir, you have to give me the update. How many moons are there around the Saturn? You should find out this. This is your task to be done by today. And tomorrow in the class, you have to tell me.
man total 82 only.
Okay, you have to find
Ma'am,
out once
82.
again. Once again, you find out. This book was published 2 years back, I think.
For Jupiter 82, but for Saturn 53 moons only.
You have to find out for each and update you have to give me tomorrow. Each planet has how many moons? I don't know how many moons have each and every planet. Okay, you should find out and you should tell me.
You are English teacher, no ma'am.
I know that how many moons are there, but I want to know from you. If I tell, how will you find out? You should find and you should tell me, and whether you are right or wrong, I will tell you tomorrow.
Okay.
This
Okay.
is a homework.
Yes, and one more is there. See, listen. So Neptune has winds that travel at 2000 kilometers per hour. 2000 kilometers, children, per hour. It travels, the winds travels. Oh my God, 2000 kilometers. Can you imagine? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, right? Yes. So like that, 2000 kilometers, it will travel in 1 hour. Can you travel like that? Can you run? Try once. Let's try. 2000 kilometers in 1 hour. Yes, it's too fast. Venus has got poisonous yellow clouds. Poisonous yellow clouds. Venus. Okay. So now, children, oh, it's time up. I wanted to show you one video. Okay, tomorrow let's continue this topic. I'll show you one video tomorrow based on these planets and the information about the planets. Let's see tomorrow. And today's your homework is you have to complete page number 40, bits. There are few bits in your textbook. Based on this chapter, the topic, whatever we have discussed, based on that topic, you have some bits that you have to complete today. Okay, will you do it?